In this lesson, we're going to work on a percent problem and we're going to use a grid to help us solve it. So if we have a problem like this that says 45 kids out of the 150 kids in grade 6 are going on a field trip. Shade the grid to show the fraction of the kids that are going on the field trip. So we have this grid, we could see it's cut up into 100 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have how many columns? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 10 is 100, right? So I know that there's 100 squares. You can also skip count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? So the first step, we know the grid has 100 squares because we just counted. So we can find the answer by finding the number of kids each square represents. So what does each little square represent in terms of number of kids? So the entire grid represents all of the 150 students. So we can divide to find the answer. So 150 divided by 100 is 1.5. So each one of these little squares represents 1.5 kids. Okay, that's what that just says there. Step 2. Since 45 students are going on the field trip, find the number of squares that represents 45 kids. So now we just divide 45 divided by 1.5, which equals 30. So if you think about it, this is a little bit like a ratio or a fraction. So 150 over 45, if you divide that by 100, then you would have to divide this by 1.5, which is the answer to this, and it'll give you 30. So now we shade 30 squares. 30 squares of the grid represent 45 students. And remember, a percent tells you a part out of 100. So since 30 out of 100 are shaded, this is the same as 30%. So 30% of the grade 6 students are going on the field trip. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson. It'll take you right to this video. There's a link there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.